Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to navigate reports in Docusign Esignature. Understanding how to access and interpret your reports is essential for tracking document activity, monitoring user engagement, and gaining valuable insights into your signing workflows. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to docusign.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Simply enter your login details to access your Docusign account. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can manage all your documents and settings. Now take a look at the top toolbar of your screen. Here you'll find several navigation options that give you access to different features within Docusign. Click on Reports. This section is specifically designed to provide you with comprehensive data about your document activities, user interactions, and overall account usage. It's your central hub for understanding how your Docusign account is performing. Once you click on Reports, you'll be taken to the Administrator dashboard. This is where all your data comes together in one place. You'll immediately notice information about your activities organized by time period, giving you a clear overview of what's happening in your account. This dashboard is incredibly useful for tracking trends and identifying patterns in how documents are being sent, signed, and managed. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is where you'll find several report types, each offering a different perspective on your account data. You'll see options such as all, envelope, recipient, and usage. Each of these report types serves a distinct purpose, so it's worth taking the time to explore them individually. Go ahead and click on each report type one by one. This will help you familiarize yourself with the different kinds of information available. The All Reports section gives you a comprehensive view, while envelope reports focus specifically on document activity. Recipient reports show you details about the people who receive and sign your documents. And usage reports provide insights into how your account is being utilized overall. Exploring these options will give you a complete understanding of the reporting capabilities. Now click on My Dashboard. This feature is particularly valuable because it offers customizable widgets and insights tailored to your specific needs. You can arrange and configure this dashboard to display the metrics that matter most to you, making it a powerful tool for ongoing monitoring and analysis. Finally, if you need to download any of these reports for offline review or record keeping, look for the three dotted lines icon right beside the report you want to save. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Download. This will save the report to your device, allowing you to share it with team members or keep it for your records. And that's everything you need to know about navigating reports in Docusign Esignature. You now have the tools to monitor your document workflows effectively and make data-driven decisions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.